Day 3 now of the Amber Guyger trial may be honestly remembered for the testimony the jury didn't hear. CBS 11's J.D. Miles gets us started tonight live over at the Dallas County Courthouse with what the state's lead investigator had to say about the former officer. J.D.
Doug, this murder trial is going on despite the fact that a Texas Ranger who was the chief investigator over the case doesn't think it should. He says no crime was committed. Defense attorneys wanted that investigator, who's a witness for the prosecution, to offer that opinion to the jury, but today the judge would not allow it. Prosecutors continued to call tenants of the Southside Flats to the witness stand, where they testified about what they heard but didn't see on the night Amber Guyger shot and killed Botham Jean.
I just heard the two loud bangs, and that was the first thing I heard.
But it's testimony the jury didn't hear that offered the biggest surprise during day 3 of the murder trial. Texas Ranger David Armstrong was the lead investigator of the shooting. The jury was not present, while the judge considered his testimony that he would not have charged Guyger with a crime.
No, I don't believe that it was reckless or criminally negligent based on the totality of the investigation and the circumstances and facts.
The judge ruled that testimony inadmissible. Armstrong was allowed to present to the jury the first photos from inside Jean's apartment and Guyger's, which he says have the same layout. He also testified that door locks in the building were poorly installed and that the parking garage creates confusion about which floor someone could be on.
Was that significant to your investigation?
Absolutely.
A photo of the gun used was offered as evidence, as well as another of Guyger taken of her in uniform after the shooting. Prosecutors pointed out she had a taser on her belt in addition to a gun. Testimony has concluded here for the day. We expect the prosecution to wrap up their case sometime in the next day or two. Live in Dallas, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.